In this video, we're going to take a look at how to use Material 3 in your Flutter application. At the Flutter Forward event that happened in Kenya on January 25th, they mentioned that Flutter 3.7 comes with enhanced Material 3 support. So we are going to take a quick look at how to enable Material 3 in your app, as well as some examples of the differences. We will start with our traditional tutorial boilerplate. Now we are going to add a few elements to the body. We'll start with a floating action button. And now we will put a center and a column into the body. And then we will put an elevated button in there. And now a filled button. An outlined button. And then last thing, let's put in a switch. So this is what it looks like with Material 2 at the moment. Now to see the difference, we just have to enable Material 3. We do that like this. And once I save, voila, that's the way it looks with Material 3. Before and after. So if you want to tie Material 3 in with the rest of your theme, click on this video right here, and I hope to see you in the next video.